Hi guys, this is BMP, Villa de Móstoles Physical Education. Probably you can't use the Flash player on your Chromebooks, but a student, a pro student from 1C by the name Mario Cifuentes has found the solution. Let's do it. Okay, the problem is, you enter to the Fit Calculadora, go. And now you need Flash player. So you have to go to the where no es seguro, go to no es seguro, click there. Then go down, configuración del sitio web. Now go down to Flash. Go down to, no, here, to Flash. And when you read Flash player, Flash, where's Flash? Can you find Flash? Then bloquear predeterminado. There, click there, and permitir. And now go to the Ludos Profesorado Fit Calculadora. Now you have it! Okay, so you have solved the problem. So thank you to 1B, the class 1B, because we are doing that here. Okay?